Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to scan Fiverr QR code. So if you receive the QR code on the phone, you wanna open it, and you just have to either send it to another phone and then scan it by camera, or just use a third-party app that scans by photo. Yeah, so if you have an iPhone or an Android, let's say iPhone, you just open the camera and you will see a yellow pop-up on the bottom, and if you have Android, you will see a notification by camera. So yeah, you just have to receive the QR code and open it. After that, you're gonna scan it with either a third-party app, or sending it to another phone, or just using the camera. And then after scanning it, you will open the link it sends you to, verify your information like name, email, phone number, double check them of course, and then complete the verification. Once you verify the information, your QR code process will be complete. You may receive a confirmation or notification from Fiverr, and that is literally it.